Alright, I've had to do this 3 times now because camera wasn't working and then mic wasn't working, so now we're in. So I'm going to explain this for the last time. So today we did $941 in total. It was technically 2 trades. First trade was, or it's the same trade, it's the same thing. So seen this range overnight. I see this bearish full fair value gap at 3:18 a.m. We start copying this side at 8:30. So market opens here on this blue line, and I'm waiting for this fair value gap to be tapped into to confirm my trade, and it taps in. I don't. No. Sorry, I wasn't looking over here. It was here. It was right here. So I see this tap in right here. It comes back down, and I did 3 contracts, stop loss above the fair value gap, and a stop loss or take profit was right here at Asian lows right here. So secured my first 2 contracts right here on London lows. That was 1 contract. No, that was 2 contracts, and then the rest. And I think I secured $422 on that first short, and then the rest, 519, was from here to here. So I need to I probably should have traded this fair value gap right here that it created, because I mean, look at this inverse right here. Or that should have been my trade right here. I should have done this. I should have waited for this fair value gap right here. Boom, boom. It comes up, dips into it, doesn't clear out, dips into it, and boom. I mean, that would have been, we'll see. If I would have entered off of this candle closed, hitting these previous highs right here, is swing highs right here, and probably put a different I probably put the low maybe on this market close right, or this candle close right here, and then on these closures right here would have tapped perfectly. That would have been a 1.9R trade. Whew. That's a good freaking trade right there. I should have done that, but hey, all a learning process. I'll get there one day. Just recognizing patterns in the time is what I've been working on, so like I'll see whenever I'm looking at charts, like on like a YouTube video or something like that, I'll like see these patterns and be like, oh man, this looks so easy to do. But then when this is actually happening in front of you, it's not as easy. So like I don't see this in the moment. I don't know why. Maybe that's just a me problem. But I mean, look at that. That is literally perfect. So I'm working on that. But here's my monthly P&L. These were me, like, I was going away from my strategy, so hopefully next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, I will be passing this funded account, or this combine, and getting my first Express account, and then by October 17th, my goal is to get the first payout, maybe 20th. That would be so amazing. I want my goal is by December I want 2 payouts. That's my goal. So, anyways, that's my trade recap for the day, and yeah, I'll probably trade tomorrow, and I might post a video. I've been forgetting about it. So, anyways, yep, that's it.